Hello everyone, today we will show you how to change a screen and a digitizer on the iPhone 4. First of all, please check the package you received. It will include the following things. First of all, the things you receive is the paper, which prints the all the screws according to the locations on this paper. You can put some double-sided tapes on the paper. So when you disassemble the phone, you can put the screws accordingly to each location. Then you will not miss out any screws when you want to assemble it. Then the tools include the flat head screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, star head screwdriver, plastic opening tool like this, and the brand new genuine iPhone 4 black color or white color screen and digitizer assembly. And also you can find any paper clip in any office to open the SIM card tray. So here is the iPhone 4, which you can see the screen is cracked. We are going to fix this one today. First of all, take the button to the silent mode. Take off the SIM card tray and the SIM card. Put it aside. Then locate the two screws at the bottom of the iPhone. These two screws actually has two types. One is a cross kind of screw, another is star screw. This one is cross one, so we need use the Phillips head to open it. After you take off, put the screw on the double-sided tape according to the position. Now on the back, hold the back panel, slide up, and lift. You can take off the back panel. Now we need to take off the battery. There's one screw hold the battery connection. Here is the screw. Use the Phillips head screwdriver. Take off the screw. Put on the double-sided tape. And now you use the opening tool to lift up the battery connector. After you lift up, there's a little metal panel here. Just put aside. Now hold this plastic lifter. Lift up the battery gently, but you still need a little force because underneath of the battery, it's double-sided stick on the metal panel underneath. So put the battery aside. After this, you can locate two screws in the middle of the phone. Use the Phillips head screwdriver. Take off the screw from left to right. And now you can take off a little metal panel. Just put aside. Here's the connection cable, flex cable connection, which connects the audio parts and the main board. So lift up, use the opening tool gently. This cable is stick on the metal panel on the main board, so you need to gently peel it off in this way. Make sure you don't damage the cable. And you can see there's a little screw underneath. Take it off. And also take off the antenna cable. So after you take off the screw and antenna cable, we move to the top. There are 5 screws on the top you need to take all 5 from left to right. Make sure all the 5 screws put accordingly to the position which we printed on the paper. The 4th one is a long screwdriver, a long screw. So maybe you need some tweezer to pull it off. And then take off the 5th one, which is the small one. And after this, you can take off the black color metal panel, which is held by the 5 screws. So put it aside. Now you need to locate a screw in the middle. Normally it's covered by a white sticker. We take off the white sticker already, so you need to take off the screw now. And there's an extra big screw on the top. Use the flathead screwdriver to take it off. You can see this is a very big one. After all these screws take off, move to the right corner of the phone. There's one extra screw you need to take off by the Phillips head screwdriver. And after you take off that screw, you can take off the bottom audio parts. And you can also open all the cable connections on the top, which you need to use the plastic open tools to open it to make sure the cables is undamaged. Also the camera, which is also a cable attached on the main board. So after you take off all the cables on the top, which there are 6, including the camera cable, you can take off the main board of the iPhone 4. So be careful. This is the main board. You take it off, put aside. So there's also 2 extra screws on the right top corner, which is the vibrator of the phone. Take it off and put on the double side tape according to the position. Also the vibrator. So now you take all the screws which attach the main board and the audio parts. So we move on the front piece, which you can see there are 6 big screws on the side. 1, 2, 3. The other side 4, 5, 6. Also there are 4 small screws on the corner. Number 1, number 2, the bottom, number 3, and number 4. So take off all the 10 screws. The middle 6 are exactly the same. And the 4 in the corner are exactly the same. They all can be taken by the Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, that's all the screws you need to take off if you want to change the screen. So now the screen you can slide from the corner or the side to lift up. The screen and the metal frame attached by a double-sided tape, so you need to use a little bit force sometime. Do it gently without damaging yourself and the cables in the phone. You can use the opening tools to slide down. So pull out the front panel, which including two flash cables, which is LCD flash cable and the digitizer flash cable. So you can see this is the old screen. There's one more extra thing you need to take off before you start the assembly. So take off the little metal net on the earpiece. That's for avoiding the dust going inside. So take off that little piece. So this is old one, you can throw to the rubbish bin, we don't need it anymore. Attach this metal net on the new screen. If you want, you can put a little bit of glue to make sure the metal net is attached. So from this point of view, you can see the screens are ready, the front panel are ready, everything is ready for assembly. So for the assembly, you just need to do the things like reverse. You can fix your iPhone now. To make sure every connection is connected, make sure the cables is bended rightly. So that's all. Thank you very much.